Hi guys, and welcome back to Benidorm Sunshine Vlogs with Benidorm Crazy Marcus. Today we're on Calais Girona, I believe.
Calais Esperanto.
Oh, yeah, we're on Calais Esperanto at the moment, crossing onto Aveneda Europa. Something like that, guys. Anyway, let's go over it. So first thing to show you is this awesome graffiti right here. That is completely awesome. Yeah. Some further down here up, like this cool one there. That is just so awesome, so talented. Carrying on. You do have the little bar on corner. Little Spanish bar right here. Very often, very busy. Just coming down here now. Just connected back onto Avenida del Mediterraneo. As well, this is the road that the Alsa bus does come down. The Alsa bus being one of the main connection buses from Alicante Airport to Benidorm. I recommend using Benidorm though, because they are pretty cheap. And they will pick you up from wherever you want, whether it's from your hotel or like a local pub near your hotel or somewhere near your hotel. Sorry about the noise, guys, just some guy cleaning up. Keeping cheerful down there, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Gracias. So guys, as I was saying, best one to use is Benny Connect. I remember when we used them to go back to England, they picked us up from a hotel that is near where we live, Hotel Rialto. They picked us up outside there, dropped us off at Alicante Airport. Then when we came back home, we had a very nice driver. We were halfway home and we said, would it be okay for you to drop us off here? And he said, yeah, well, I know where that is, it's perfectly okay. And he quite literally dropped us off right outside our home, well, our apartment. And it didn't cost much either, guys, which is the best part about it. And when they're picking you up from the airport, all you have to do is go downstairs to like the transfer area, find the Benidorm, find the Benny Connect stand, go with a clipboard is there. You just say your name, show him your paperwork. He will take you out to your bus, help you get on it. Then everything's sorted. You sit back and prepare to be in Benidorm very soon. Here we got Kebabish King. Now that is a huge kebab restaurant. Very huge. And you do have this bit here. Not sure whether that is also part of Kebabish King. Apparently so. Over the road we have a Chinese restaurant 18. Wouldn't mind a nice old Chinese. And across the road now. I think I will go, but I don't really want to risk it. Pretty sure I've just seen one of our good friends down the road. Not too sure, but I will be heading down this way just to see if it is who I think it is. He's waving at us. I think it might be. Going to put you on pause here, guys, to go see our good friend Dennis Birchall